Welcome back to our WordPress tutorial series. In this video, we'll introduce you to the Gutenberg Editor, a powerful tool built into WordPress for creating and editing content. Let's get started. The Gutenberg Editor uses a block-based system, allowing you to add, move, and customize elements like text, images, headings, buttons, and more. To start, go to Posts, click Add New or Pages, and click Add New, and you'll see the editor interface. Each piece of content is added as a block. For example, if you want a paragraph, image, or list, simply click the plus icon or Add Block button and select the type of block you need. You can customize each block's settings on the right-hand panel, making it easy to style your content exactly how you want. One of the best features of Gutenberg is its flexibility. You can drag and drop blocks, rearrange layouts, and even save reusable blocks for consistency across your site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll see how Gutenberg simplifies content creation and helps you design visually appealing pages and posts without needing coding skills. That's a quick look at the Gutenberg Editor and how it simplifies creating content for your WordPress site. In the next video, we'll dive into what are WordPress themes to help you understand how to shape your site's overall look and feel. Stay tuned.